Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to a new video. In this video I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5A Raiva. Here you will get the Android version 11 in this ROM. This is the unofficial version, as you can see. Android 11 based on an official version. This is the Aero OS latest security patch and latest build, 12 June build, and we will review this ROM. So today we will review this ROM. We will check all the features of this ROM. Is it good for gaming or not? And if I talk about the security, first let's check the face unlock and fingerprint. If I talk about the Geo Bolt, everything is working perfectly fine. Hotspot, Wi-Fi, everything is working perfectly. As you can see, I have already connected. I have already tested, so don't worry. So there is no fingerprint in this device, so that's why we will check the face unlock. Let's check. Let me apply the face unlock first. Now let's check the face unlock of this ROM. Face unlock speed is not good as not best one. It takes a little time to unlock your device, as you can see, but the face unlock is good, so don't worry. If I talk about the features of this ROM, here the button feature, here the gestures features available. Now let's check the buttons. Here is the buttons. You get all the buttons option available. Here you can check it according to your use. Here are the gestures. You can enable the gestures, activate torch, 3 button, 2 button if you want. This is not useful. Only the gestures upper is useful. As you can see, only recent application is also useful. Else, if I talk about the Play Store, currently I am downloading the Call of Duty, but it is taking a lot of time to download. It again goes back to the 0% after downloading 50% or any other. Play Store is not good in this ROM. I have flashed bit gaps in this ROM, so you can try and nick gaps also. So now let's check the safety net. All the features are working perfectly fine. There is no bug. All the change logs will be written in the description. You must check the description. And here is the safety net. Safety net is passed in this ROM, and Play Store is certified, so don't worry. There is some problem with the Play Store. There is some problem with the Play Store. As you can see, Play Store is certified. It takes a lot of time to download the application, like a bigger one. Now let's check the Geek benchmark also, whether it is working or not. Let's check. Here is the history. As you can see, here is the score. Here is the single core result and single core multi-core. Here is the single, as you can see, your device Redmi 5A multi. Here is the multi score. Now here is the 3D mark. Let's check. Only one is performed. Only one score is performed. Test, sorry. As you can see, my device is 2 GB, so that's why I will not able to test the wildlife extreme. So I have already tested. Let me show you the result. My device, here is the result. Single shot, slingshot, sorry. Here is the slingshot to 340, 96% more than the Redmi 5A device. As you can see, you can use this ROM for daily usage also. You can try the bit gaps. You can try the nick gaps. I have tried the bit gaps, but the downloading speed is very slow of the bigger applications. And the battery performance is also great in this ROM. There is no problem in the battery performance. You will not face any problem while using this ROM. Battery performance is good in this ROM. Now let's check the safety net. Now let's check the Antutu benchmark 3D. What is the score? Here is the 60,375 score is the GPU performance. GPU performance is also showing in many of the ROM. GPU performance is 0, and the battery performance is also great, so don't worry. I have installed few application as you can see. And here is the camera is also good in this ROM. So you can check all the features according to your use. All the display, sound, everything works perfectly fine. I have fully tested this ROM, so don't worry. And SD card is also working, but there is some problem. Now I am not facing that problem, but sometimes the notification light is always on, but right now it is off. So there may be, I have restarted the phone, that's why it is fixed.